Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Mailchimp subscription or downgrade to a free plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your billing and account properly. Step 1. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials on the Mailchimp website. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or name in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Account from the menu to access your account settings and billing information. Step 4. Navigate to the Billing section in the left sidebar to view your current subscription plan and payment details. Step 5. Click on Manage Billing or Change Plan to access your subscription management options. Step 6. If downgrading to the free plan, select the free option. If canceling entirely, look for Cancel Account or Pause Account options. Step 7. Mailchimp will show you what features you'll lose by downgrading or canceling. Review this information carefully to understand the impact. Step 8. If you have more than 500 contacts, you'll need to reduce your list size before downgrading to the free plan. Archive or delete unnecessary contacts. Step 9. Confirm your decision by clicking Downgrade or Cancel Account. Your plan change will typically take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. Step 10. If completely canceling, Mailchimp may ask for feedback about why you're leaving. Provide this information or skip if you prefer. Step 11. Check your email for confirmation from Mailchimp about your plan change or account cancellation. Step 12. Export any important data, such as contact lists and campaign reports, before your account downgrades or closes, especially if canceling completely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.